Step by step, we explore new opportunities to keep growing. The Publishing House Prof-Press has become the largest manufacturer in several areas at once, thanks to stable growth. The load capacity of our stationery segment has more than 7,000 articles of paper and white products, plastic and textiles. The production capacity allows to produce up to 2 million notebooks per day in terms of 12-sheet notebooks. We are leaders in the production of products on a color spiral and fastening of 7 PCs. New technologies, modern design trends, more than 50 combinations of finishes and covers make our products popular and relevant in the price segment from economy to premium. The Publishing House Prof-Press is one of the largest manufacturers of printed products in Russia. The total annual circulation is more than 30 million copies. We are valued for original design, unusual construction, and effective combinations of materials in our products. Our books are recognizable on the shelves and loved at home. We work with the licenses of the most popular children's cartoons. In addition to books, we have been producing toys for more than 10 years. The Red Cat has more than 8,000 of part numbers. Cars, sandbox game sets, folk tales, pyramids, board games and puzzles created using unique technologies. We are especially proud of our own developments that have already become bestsellers. We always care about the end users of our products. The Milland is a complex supplier of the new year. However, you probably met products under the Milland brand at other holidays. More than 15,000 part numbers, gift products, wrapping paper, balloons, and gift box sets. For 20 years, all the above successes and irreducible growth of the Prof-Press group of companies have been ensured by the dedication of our team. Indeed, for 2 decades, the main value of the Prof-Press company has been people. It is the right person in the team that enable the publishing house to continuously develop, increase the equipment fleet, and build its own buildings. We don't stop working even for a second. Every moment of every day, new units of products are produced in our production. We are not only increasing production capacity, but also constantly working with the recognition of our brands, attracting the most famous artists and bloggers to cooperate.
Проф-пресс, вы самые крутые!
We know what our customers look like, what they like, and what they want from our products, because we ourselves use them all the time. For more than 20 years, we have been producing, growing, training employees, finding partners in new markets. Continuous movement forward is the basis of our activity, our essence. Let's move forward together.